Good morning, my name is Juan Carlos Mendez. The presentation is Choco Nato. Um, hey partners, the waterfall production on the raw materials, main case sugar milk cocoa. Business partner is storage and sport ships and gastronomic events. Training stay to half raw materials and products. Key activities control, monitoring, production, and distribution of homemade chocolate, implementation of promotional strategy. Our proposal, we offer a variety of products made with love and love of sugar and chocolate for all tastes, or under quality standards and incredible price. Consumer relationship, direct sale, indirect sale, promotional and positional of our products through texting and advertising. Market segment. Families interested in purchasing Choconato products. Key resources. Milk and chocolates, container in packing, skills, labor, and technology. Channels of a store, intermediate, and distributor to the traditional stores and large supermarkets. Cost structures, fixed costs, administrative salaries, public service. Variables, production costs, raw materials, transport costs, and maintenance. Sources of income obtained from the sale of dairy products or offered to the consumers. Three arguments in favor of the proposed model. Publish a new business project, convince potential financiers to become shareholders in an ends-of-feed alliance to start a business collaboration. The arguments against the proposed model focus to broad purpose versus value, brevity over clarity. Value proportion establish clarity to what's in the exposed to the reader. Thank you very much. Since presentation Choco Nato. Thank you.